Hey beautiful, thanks for tuning to my channel today. Today we are going to be talking about how to make a deep conditioner yourself at home. This is a deep conditioner stroke protein treatment, and for this deep conditioner we are going to be using an avocado pear, banana and egg. We are also going to be adding honey and some other oils. Mind you, the oils are optional. It's not compulsory. It's going to be exactly as the one I used. But for the one I use, I'm using the sweet almond oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, vitamin E oil, and jojoba oil. You are free to use any oil of your choice. It's not compulsory you're going to use exactly the same one I'm using. I'm only using them because I have them at home and I can just use them. I have them, but you can use any of the oil you have at home. You can decide to use olive oil or any other oil that you have at home. Then I'm going to be adding a little bit of peppermint oil, which is also optional. I use this oil because it helps in stimulating blood flow to the scalp. So you want to chop the avocado into little pieces into the blender. Please make sure you get an avocado pear that is really ripe, because the one I use for this video is not really ripe. That's why I got this difficulty in taking it out. Then you want to also chop the banana also into the blender. Then add your egg. So after adding your egg, you want to add in your honey. I use just a tablespoon of honey. Sorry if you can hear the sirens sound in the background, it's just because I don't know what is happening, but I think there's an emergency somewhere, so the siren is just going up in the background because my house is close to the road. And what I just did was I just added the oils, just the coconut oil. I take 3 tablespoons and the other oils I'm going to be using into the blender as well. So yeah, I'm just adding the avocado oil, the jojoba oil, 1 tablespoon, and the vitamin E oil, also 1 tablespoon. So next thing I did was to close the blender and blended it a little bit. I didn't show this other part because I didn't video it. I'm sorry about that. But I added a little bit of water because the mixture was becoming too thick for my liking, so it will flow out smoothly, and this is the result. So next you want to just turn it into a bowl or into like something that you know you can use in preserving a tea when you're ready. This mixture is supposed to be used within 24 hours, not supposed to be staying around 24 hours. And yeah, I'm just showing you how I apply this to my hair. My hair has already been washed and it has been detangled previously to now, so I'm just applying it all over my hair. I think my hair was too wet because it was really soaked with water. So while applying it, I found out that it was dripping out too much, which is also not good. So try to make sure that at least your hair is damp but not soaking wet. So I just applied it from the ends to the root. Make sure it's reaching every strand of my hair. Try to massage it in because we want this treatment to go into the hair because it helps in breakage and helps to reduce to strengthen your hair follicles and making your hair strong. You have to reduce breakage, and to be very frank, it is really it saves you time, it saves you money because you don't have to go to the salon to go and buy all those expensive products in the market. You can just do it yourself at home. So I do this on my hair. I think this particular treatment once a month. Then I mix it up with a normal regular deep conditioner. I normally mix both of them up and I strap it up because I deep condition my hair twice a month. So 1 month I might use this, and the next month I use that. Just depending on how I'm feeling and how I'm or what I want to do that week. But it's really really cheap. It's because it's efficient, and it's good for someone that is just starting the natural hair journey, because you don't have to spend too much money going to buy all of these expensive products in the salon or from the shop. You can just do it yourself at home, and you understand what your hair needs the most, and if any of the product is not working well with you, you know which is not working well with you. So I'm just going to continue to put this all over my hair, make sure that every strand is coated, and then I will show you what it's looking like. So when I finish applying each of the conditioner to each section of my hair, what I do is I just twist it up to keep it safe. This is to just avoid it from getting tangled. Yeah, I'm just applying it to every section to make sure that it's reaching every part of my hair very well. So I'm applying it in between the lines to make sure that it's reaching everywhere very well. And the good thing about this treatment is that you don't need to avoid it. You can rub it from your scalp down to the tips of your hair, and without getting scared of that there is any ash chemicals, because there is no chemical at all. Next, what I did was I just get a plastic bag, just a normal grocery bag, and I just wrap it all over my hair. This is to preserve the heat, because normally I do heat less deep conditioning, because we don't have money to be spending on electricity bill. So I added a shower cap over it, then I let it sit on my hair for about 45 minutes to an hour, then I rinsed it out. And this is how my hair is looking. The hair is feeling really soft and easy to handle. So deep conditioning treatment and potty treatment is really really good for your hair, because it helps increase your hair elasticity. Sorry about that. And it helps to make your hair go out very well. It prevent breakage and makes your hair to feel really really moisturized. So guys, this brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and when you are at it, hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.